another episode of Bob's Woodshop. On today's episode, I'm going to be making this little tortilla press. This is for my daughter. She lives in a small New York City apartment with very little shelf space. So she asked me to make it small. This is 9 inches by 7 inches, and a taco is roughly 6 inches. So I think this is going to come in just handy for her needs. So this is made of sapelli, and I've got a little box joint back here. I can put rubber feet on it, right? And so let's get into it. I'm going to show you how I did it. So the first step in the process, I'm going to need a couple pieces of wood. I'm going to make this tortilla press out of sapelli. So I got a couple scrap pieces here, and here's my CAD drawing. This is going to be roughly 9 inches long. The bottom piece has to be a little bit longer than the top piece, and it's going to be 7 inches wide to accommodate a 5 to 6 inch tortilla. Okay. All right, so it's December 16th, and it's about 60 degrees here in New Jersey. Very unseasonable, but I'll take it. So I've joined in one edge. And I'm going to rip these to 7 inches wide. Turn on dust collection. So I need the two support arms for the lever action, and I'm going to make initially 1 5/8 inches wide by 6 inches long. Okay, so I'm going to inset this piece inside here, and I need to notch out this section here, and I'll just go ahead and do that on the bandsaw. It'll look like that. Okay, so I need the lever, and I'm going to turn that since I've got a lathe. Let's see how this works out. Okay, so I finished that a little bit off camera. I had to do some cutting and sanding and all that. And that's what this is looking like. And I cut a brass tube for the axle. And now I have to drill some holes in the support arms. Okay, now I've located where the hole is going to be placed in the handle. I use a little piece of scrap wood here. Okay, so let's see how this is going to fit together. this. We're gonna do this. And we're gonna do this. This will fit in here. This will go on top of this. And I need a little spacer board in here. So it's coming together really well. Time for lunch. Okay, I made this little spacer bar off camera. That's to help the lever action. I'm gonna put that right there. Like that. And we'll hold that in place like this. I'll shoot a couple staples in here. Ooh. Okay, I'm gonna glue these two pieces in. Love my little solder brush, solder flux brush, perfect for this application. I like using a lot of glue when I do my glue ups. Nice and tight. That's what Here's the other one. Make sure that's going with the grain so it blends right in. And we'll sand these flush when that dries. And we're in good shape. It's almost done. Ready for the finish almost. A little sanding. Okay, it's time for the finish. Just gonna put some of this food grade lemon wax on here. This smells great. It really looks good on cutting boards. Just gonna lather this on. This is gonna take a few minutes, so I'll be back to you. Well, this is how it came out. Again, this is made with sapelli. I've got a brass axle, brass hinge. I think this is a very attractive project. Again, this is going to be in a small New York City apartment, so it needed to be a small footprint. And I think my daughter's really going to like this. So I hope you liked it also. And this is just a few hour project, really easy to make. And I hope you like it. So, hey, you guys know the drill. If you like my content, please like, comment, and subscribe. And until next time, I'm going to see you on another episode of Bob's Woodshop. Bye-bye for now.